Welcome everyone to another video on the build and flip series. Last time I did a budget build for $500. I ended up selling that last week. So this week I brought out the parts and now we're building another build, this time for $600. This build all around is pretty good at 1080p high ultra gaming and then some light 1440p gaming. All the parts right here are pretty much brand new. This one right here I got off eBay and it's a little bit lightly used. Yeah, so let's get into the parts I'm going to be using for this build. So the motherboard right here is the Asrock B550M Pro SE. This ran me about $86. The graphics card I'm going to be using for this build is an RX 6600 XT. This one's going to be $200. The power supply, the thermal takes 600 watt. This was 45, and the CPU cooler I'm going to be using is the ID Cooling RGB CPU cooler. It's the same one I used in the last video, but this one is just black. Same thing for the RAM. This is the same kit. I'm just using the black version. This is the T-Force Delta 3200 megahertz DDR4 RAM. Yeah, this is pretty solid RAM, especially since it's RGB, and for the price I got for it, which I paid $45 for the RAM and $18 for the cooler, if I didn't say that. And I believe that's everything. Oh no, the storage. For the storage, I went with the Team Group SSD. This is 1 terabyte of storage, so this system should have plenty of space for all the games you need, especially since the newer games take up a lot of space now. And yeah, let's get right into the video. I don't think I skipped over anything. Yep, so let's start building in the case.
Equilibrium sometimes demands sacrifices. Contract closed. Excellent. Equilibrium sometimes demands sacrifices. Contract closed.
Recharging my shields.
Charging up.
Throwing some right.